Today we'll be making a ginseng hair tea that can help us stimulate hair growth, help fight hair loss, help with anti-aging, reducing stress levels, and also good for our immune system and reducing stress. So let's get into today's video. Hello my happy nappy crew, it's NowIamNappy here. Yes, I'm finally back from vacation, nice and tan. My hair is still giving, a little bit raggedy, but you know, still cute. Anyways y'all, let's go ahead and get into today's video. We're actually going to be making two teas, one that we're going to consume for ourselves and one that I'll be using topically. And I want to make sure I state, you guys, before you ever consume any teas, any new herbs, speak with your doctor, especially if you're taking any type of medication with high blood pressure, if you're nursing, but always speak with your doctor before consuming new herbs. But let's go ahead and make our two teas. So I'm using this instant Korean ginseng tea. It has 100 satchels in here. I've never tried instant tea before. And I'm going to begin by adding 3 satchels. I'm also going to make me a cup of tea for myself. And I'm going to go in with just 1 satchel for now. Then I went in with about 1.5 cups of boiling distilled water for the hair tea. And I actually added 1 more satchel because I just felt like I wanted a stronger brew. And then I added about 8 ounces to my regular cup of tea for myself. Next, I let the mixture cool all the way down, and then I went in with some glycerin. Now I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of glycerin to the hair tea. We know glycerin is really hydrating. It's a humectant for the scalp and will be perfect to this mixture. Go ahead and give that a stir and then put it in a bottle for ease of application. So I'll be using this tea as a hair refresher throughout the week, at least 2 to 3 times. And as a pre-poo, I haven't yet done a full wash day on my hair, y'all. I will film that soon. But I will just go in and apply this right to my scalp. And then I'll use the ginseng hair oil to help seal in and lock in that moisture. Now I'll tell you about those benefits as well while I apply to my hair and while I sip my tea, okay? Now last week we talked about some of the benefits of ginseng for the hair, but I'll briefly go over them once again. It is said to help stimulate hair growth as the active components called ginsenosides have shown to strengthen the hair roots right at the follicle. It also reduces hair loss by improving blood circulation to the scalp, but it's also said to be a natural DHT blocker as well as good for those who have alopecia areata, and it helps to modulate your immune response, especially your immune system's response to stress. It can help strengthen the strands, helping them to become more resilient. It also can improve the texture and shine of your hair and has anti-aging properties as it helps to fight free radical damage from the sun and the environment. Now, when it comes to our internal benefits of ginseng, y'all, I really loved some of the properties I was reading about. And one of the first things mentioned was that it can help to reduce inflammation in the body. And as we know, inflammation causes so many illnesses such as arthritis and inflammatory diseases. It also said to improve energy levels because it helps to combat fatigue and boost mental and physical energy. It improves your cognitive function, which means it can improve brain functions like memory, behavior, and mood, as well as enhance mental performance and reduce mental fatigue. And y'all, lately, let me tell you, I've been exhausted, which is why I desperately needed to get away. Again, as I mentioned in the hair benefits, it also has immune system benefits. It helps to enhance your immune system, helping the body to fight off infections and diseases, and helps to promote the production of immune cells and enhance their effectiveness. It also says to help regulate blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for those who are suffering with diabetes or may develop diabetes. It's also good for heart health, reducing that bad cholesterol levels and improving blood circulation. There's also some potential here. It says studies have said that it has anti-cancer properties, inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. It also has rich antioxidants that are really good for the skin. It can help repair skin damage, promote collagen production, and improve skin elasticity and appearance. So y'all, while I'm applying it as it's dripping down my face, I'm gonna go ahead and rub that in, okay? I want all of these added benefits. All right, you guys, so I plan to drink this tea at least 1 cup in the morning and possibly 1 cup in the evening. I am going to brew it a bit stronger. I feel like I need at least 2 satchels for 1 cup of tea. which is fine because I do have 100 of them here. And I'm going to be using this at least 2 times this week and as a pre-poo before I shampoo my hair, which I'll be showing you guys in the following week. Now, y'all probably are worried a little bit because, I'm now applying water to my hair, and then again, I'm sealing now with the oil to my hair and my scalp. But don't worry, y'all, I'm going to lay down my edges. And honestly, y'all, I care more about the health of my hair than trying to keep my hair perfectly styled to last super long. So if I do get a little bit of fuzzies, I'm actually okay with that. I make sure I tie my hair down with a scarf. I will also be using mousse or gel in my hair to help lay down these edges, even though in this video I'm not doing so because, y'all, I'm about to go to the gym after I film this. But y'all, this is what my hair looks like. It lays down nicely, especially when you add the gel and things. Also, don't forget to shop our 25% off. That's happening now. It ends tonight at midnight. But that's it for this week. Let me know if you're willing to try ginseng on your hair or consume it in your diet. Please leave your comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.